Hey guys, today we're going to learn Order of Operations Part 3. Today's video we have a special guest, my cousin sister Jo.
Hey guys!
Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe,
Like
and share.
So the first question is, Robert bought 7 bananas for 50 cents each and 2 apples for 80 cents. Write a numerical expression and then find the total cost in a dollar. So I'm going to write B stands for banana, so B equals 50 cents. And 2 apples or 2A equals 80 cents. Now we have to write a numerical expression. So it would be 7B plus 2A.
Where did you get 7 from?
Because it said Robert bought 7 bananas for 50 cents each.
Oh, so 7B means there's 7 bananas. Am I
Yes.
right? Okay.
Now we would do 7 times 50 plus 80.
Where did you get 50 and 80 from?
We got 50 from 7 bananas for 50 cents each, and 80 from 2A equals 80 cents.
Correct. So here we already wrote that B equals 50 cents. So we're just going to substitute 50 into B. And then we already know that 2A equals 80 cents over here. So now here 2A will be equal to 80 cents.
So now we're going to do 350 plus 80.
How did you get 350?
We did 7 times 50, which gave us 350.
Correct. So here we wanted to use order of operations. We know that multiplication comes before addition, and so that's how we got 350 plus 80. And now that equals
430 cents.
Okay. But here, that's still not the right answer because it said the total cost in dollar. So we want to change 430 cents into a dollar. So it would be $4.30. And so that is our answer. Now moving on.
Number 2. The price of a skirt is $100 and the shopkeeper gives discount of $50. A girl and her sister bought 4 skirts and then shared the cost. Write a numerical expression and find the price paid by each sister.
Okay, so here the price of a skirt is $100. But then the shopkeeper gives discount for $50. So that must mean 100 minus 50. Okay, now a girl and her sister bought 4 skirts. So we're going to multiply by 4. And then they share the cost. And we know that shared must be divide. So we're going to put division and then share the cost. So here, how many people shared the cost? A girl and a sister, which means 2. Okay, now 100 minus 50 is
50
times 4 divided by 2. Now, 50 times 4 is?
200
And 200 divided by 2 would be?
100.
Okay, so that means each girl or sister pays $100. Okay, now moving on to question number 3.
So number 3 is Geeta withdrew $1,000 from her bank account. She uses $500 to fix the car debt. Then she divides the money into 5 parts and gave away 4 parts and kept 1 part for herself. Finally, she took her parents to a restaurant and spent $80 on their meals. Write the numerical expression and then find how much money Geeta has now.
It says Geeta withdrew $1,000. So we're just going to say 1,000. She uses 500 to fix a car debt. So minus 500. Then she divides the money into 5 parts. So divided by 5 and gave away 4 parts and kept 1 part for herself. Now, dividing one thing by 5 would mean you would still get 1 part of. Now it says she kept 1 part for herself. Dividing a group by 5 would mean you get 1/5 or 1 part of that group. So here, this would still be correct. Now, finally, she took her parents to a restaurant and spent $80 on meals. So now here we can say minus 80, right? So she spent $80 on meals. And now, so parentheses are around here. Now we just need to solve it. So what's 1,000 minus 500?
500.
Okay. And then divided by 5 minus 80. Okay. And then 500 divided by 5 is?
100.
And then minus 80. And then 100 minus 80 is going to be?
20.
Okay. So now she's doing with the. So now Geeta has $20 left. So now $20 is going to be our answer. Okay, last question.
Number 4 is Wade has $10,000 and she invested in stock. In one day, her money got doubled. The next day, she got a profit of $350 and later loss of $280. Write an expression and find the total amount of money in stock.
Okay, so here it said we invested 10,000. So 10,000. And then her money got doubled. So times 2. The next day she got a profit of 350. So normally a profit would mean addition. So here we can say plus 350. And then a later loss of 280. Now we know that loss must be subtraction. So minus 280. Now, just now we just need to solve this. 10,000 times 2 is?
20,000.
Correct. So, 20,000. And then plus 350 minus 280. Okay, now 20,000 plus 350 is?
20,350.
Okay, now I need to do 20,350 minus 280. So 0 there, and then 5 minus 8. We can't do that, so we gotta borrow. So 15. Thank you for watching.
Bye, everyone.